Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is nutrition for nurses. Sorry. And today we are going to discuss about energy. Now energy is defined as a capacity of your body to do any work. Definitely whole day we are doing a work, a lot of work, and to do that work we need energy. Now the prime source of food is to provide energy to our body. Specifically energy yielding foods, they are providing energy to our body. Carbohydrate, protein, lipids, these all are comes under energy yielding food which provide energy to our body. Now, unit of energy. Energy is measured with calorie. Now, this is too small to make a measurement of food energy. That's what we are using a kilocalorie measures. That means 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories, so that it will be easy for us to make the calculation. Now the next concept is measurement of energy. Now how do we measure this energy which is required by our body? Now the food materials are measured with calorimetric methods. Now to assess this energy, we are using calorimetric method. Now here mainly there are two types of method, direct and indirect calorimetric method. Now in direct calorimetric method, here energy released is measured directly by the heat produced when the known amount of food is oxidized. When the known amount, how much amount, you have that calculation idea, then when known amount of food is oxidized, how much heat is produced, that what we are calculating directly with the help of direct calorimetric method. The methods are used here, Bohm calorimeter, Atwater Rose respiration calorimeter methods. Next is indirect calorimetric method. In indirect calorimetric method, the energy released is measured indirectly by the oxygen consumed by the food material. See how much oxygen is consumed by your body to digest that food material. Based on that calculation, we are making a indirect calorimetric method. We are using Benedict oxycalorimetry, Benedict Rotha respiration apparatus, Douglas Bath, Max Planck respirometer. These methods are used. Now next is calorific value of food. Here we are checking a calorific value of food. Now this is defined as amount of energy is released when 1 gram of nutrient is oxidized. Now here we are checking how much of energy is released, how much energy you got to your body when 1 gram of food or nutrient is oxidized. Now this is expressed in kilocalorie per gram. So this is expressed in terms of kilocalorie per gram. The next concept is calorific values are expressed in two types. One is actual calorific value and physiological calorific value. So calorific value of food is expressed in two types, actual calorific value and physiological calorific value. Now let us see this actual calorific value. Now here in actual calorific value, it is defined as amount of energy is obtained when 1 gram of food is completely oxidized in Bohm calorimeter. Here it is calculated when 1 gram of food is completely oxidized with the help of Bohm calorimeter. Now here see the value. The actual calorific value of carbohydrate is 4.1 kilocalorie per gram. Fat is 9.45 kilocalorie per gram. Protein is 5.65 kilocalorie per gram. Next is physiological calorific value. Next is physiological calorific value of food. Now here it is defined as 1 gram of food is 1 gram of it is defined as amount of energy is obtained when 1 gram of food is oxidized in body. So amount of energy released, yeah, you got that energy when 1 gram of food is oxidized in the body. Now see the values here. The physiological calorific value of carbohydrate is 4 kilocalorie per gram. Protein is 9 kilocalorie per gram and fat is 9 kilocalorie per gram and protein is 4 kilocalorie per gram. So in physiological calorific value of food, carbohydrate and protein is 4 kilocalorie per gram and fat is 9 kilocalorie per gram. Okay, student, this is all about energy. So you need to write all these things if you get any question on energy. Energy is nothing but the capacity is required by your body to do any work. The main source, main purpose of your food is to provide energy. The energy unit is calorie. Calorie is very small unit to measure that amount of energy present in the food. So we are measuring in kilocalories. So 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories. Definitely measurement of energy is direct calorimetry and indirect calorimetry. And calorific value of food, again it is two method, actual calorific value and physiological calorific value. So definitely we can write all these answers to get some marks on energy. I hope you understood. Please just read by heart something so that you can write some answer on your exams. Please keep watching and I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.